A very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today, I am going to explain you chapter number 8, part 2, a treat for a mosquito, class 5 EVS, right? I already talked about these children, okay? What they are talking about, how malaria is diagnosed, right? These are the process. They prick a small pin in your finger. They took 2 to 3 drops of blood. Then they study under the microscope. Okay, microscope, which is an instrument to magnify very small, in fact unseen things, right? Unseen object. I already show you this report, how they can diagnose. So malaria parasites found in a blood sample. Now anemia, I already talked about what is anemia, lack of iron or a hemoglobin in a blood. Now how we can cure anemia? Like we can cure anemia by giving some supplements. Okay, doctor prescribe iron tablets and some supplements. Apart from this iron tablets and supplements, we supposed to a person supposed to consume more and more iron contained food. For example, amla, spinach, green leafy vegetables, then jaggery, onion, dates, beet. Okay, these are some vegetables which we can consume, and we can cure this anemia, right? Now come to the main topic. Be aware. Like are you inviting mosquito? Be aware, they spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya, right? Now what are some precautions? Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Use mosquito net to protect yourself. Spray kerosene if water has collected at some place. And one more thing is, beta, use fragrance while you are going to outside, for especially places where park or a garden or a school or anywhere. Whenever you go outside your home, use fragrance. Why? Because I already taught you in a first class, that in a first chapter, that malaria detect heat and temperature of someone's body, and it can smell, right? The smell of sweat, human sweat, right? Mosquito has super sense of smelling. Okay, it can smell the sweat, right? So apply fragrance, right? Whenever you go to garden or somewhere else, right? So these are some precautions. Now these are the larvae, baby mosquito called larvae. Okay, they look like a thread. Okay, they look tiny thread like a gray things swimming, right? So these are some picture of larvae. Okay, so check whether your pots are filled with water or not, and check surrounding area of your house whether there are any collected water or not. Okay, now this is poster make. Now you're supposed to make a poster, but beta, it's not required. You need not to make any poster because school is not open yet. Otherwise I would give you an activity. Now this is main point. Scientists peep into a mosquito's stomach. Ronald Ross, he is a Nobel he got a Nobel Prize. Okay, Nobel Prize for a medicine, right? He worked hard and discover that malaria spread through mosquito. Like before discovery of Ronald Ross, he people believed that malaria spread through uh, poisonous gas, and that's why this disease is called malaria, because the literally meaning of malaria the literally meaning of malaria is bad gas, okay, or bad air. Okay, literally meaning of malaria is bad air, and people believe that it spread through bad air or bad gas, so they call this disease malaria. But Ronald Ross have a idea that this malaria spread in a swampy or marshy place. So he start working on it. Okay, he chase mosquito every day. Okay, every day he chase mosquito, uh, right? And he Ronald Ross study with his microscope, with stiff bend neck and stiffed back, right? And he studied this mosquito stomach, because he had a idea, right? He's somewhere, so the parasites he's which found in a blood of someone, in a human blood, and same bacteria he find in a stomach of mosquito. So he started working on it, and he come out with the new discovery. Like, he literally studied the stomach of mosquito. Every mosquito, his mosquito stomach he study. Some Even he call a person and pay them 1 anna for one mosquito bite. Okay, and then he he study the blood of that person as well as the stomach of mosquito. By doing this, he also had a malaria once, right? And one day he could see the same parasites which found in a patients of malaria and in a mosquito stomach, and he come out with a new discovery. Like, the parasites look same in a both in a mosquito stomach as well as in a blood of this infected person. So he come out with a new discovery that mosquito spread malaria. It is not a bad air or a bad gas which spread malaria, but mosquito spread malaria. So in December 1902, Ronald Ross got a highest award for his discovery, the Nobel Prize for Medicine, right? And in 1905, he lay dying. Ross' last word was, I will find something new, right? So this is all about this chapter. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.